will be able to transform the jangling discords of our nation into a beautiful symphony of brotherhood. With this faith, we will be able to work together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail.
Some of us had heard Dr. King's speech before. I didn't know what Dr. King was going to say. I just know it was inspiring. He's an eloquent speaker. You know, he's a preacher, and he knows how to get the crowd galvanized around a certain direction. And it was just a great moment in general. Young people today had no idea what the struggle was about. It's like a fairy tale to some extent. And so what we had to do is pass this on as best as we can to see things that still need to be taken care of. And so we have to keep young people understanding the struggle is not over. What I tell young people, that as far back as 1848, Frederick Douglass, the sage of Anacostia, said, "Power conceives nothing without a demand. It never has and never will." And we got to keep struggling in our own way.